The W lift is something that almost everybody practices in the mirror who reaches a certain time in their life. Go to the mirror, you don't like your eyes, you don't like the bags under the eyes, you're not too happy with the jowl. So you just do this little shift here. And by doing that, you see that everything rejuvenates. So for years, it was like, can you do that? That would be what patients would ask, and we figured out a way to do it. And you get a long-lasting and really natural result. The ideal candidate for a W lift procedure is somewhere between the ages of 30 and 50 who doesn't need a face or neck lift. It's a vertical restoration procedure. The actual procedure takes somewhere between 40 minutes and an hour. After the surgery, for about 3 days, you're uncomfortable. And the reason you're uncomfortable is where we attach it to, which is the muscle here, goes into spasm. So it's a lot like having a knee operation where you need to use a lot of ice and there's some discomfort, in which case we actually treat that. But so I think there is some downtime, usually 3 days of discomfort, followed by about a week of recovery. So with the W lift, the whole lower eyelid region and the cheeks are restored. The face has a new restored heart shape that's long lasting. Nobody knows what went on. They don't have any visible incisions, so they can't go, oh, she had a facelift. So something has happened for the better. Patients are generally thrilled with these results. Patients sometimes who come in who are told there's nothing more I can do, who've had filler under the eyes after they've had an unsuccessful lower blepharoplasty, those patients are the ones you could go, yes, I can fix this. That cohort of individuals are thrilled with this procedure because it's life-changing. If you're noticing drooping in your cheeks, a pear shape to your face, hollows under the eyes, puffs under the eyes, and you just want to talk about what can be done, come in, can walk you through what you might experience with a procedure like the W natural lift.